Hello guys, this is Gladianne from Heart Take the Wheel, and today I'd like to do a little unboxing video because I just got in my content planner. If you've never heard of this, then this will be a treat for you. Okay, so let's move aside my passion planner, which, side note, I do plan on using in tandem with the content planner. So here it is in the box. I love the packaging. Everybody is obsessed with the packaging. It's freaking beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. There's the thank you from Kat. Beautiful, pretty teal, deep dark. I don't know what color this is. I'm not like a color expert. Alright, so I set it up so we can dig in. So first up, we have these stick to your plan social stickers. Not just social though, they have other little bits in here like me for your own stuff you got going on, ideas, travel, you know, lots of itty bitty stickers that fit perfectly within the lines of the planner. And here's a folder for them. And then the stickers to fill out the content planner. So let's take a look. First up, we have the how to use your content planner. And then we have, you know, filling things out, what's on your radar for the months, the monthly themes, and of course holidays, marketing dates, lots of stuff to help you plan, or, you know, like to use and utilize within your business on what's relevant to you. And then this is how every month will start, is a place for you to jot down all your ideas or draft them out or doodle or whatever you do. And then of course notes, some monthly goals, things to keep on your radar for this month, hashtags, hit lists, and collabs. So this would be a place to write out you know, accounts that you're going to be working with this month and their tags and everything, so you can keep them handy. And then here is the gold of this. Stop.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
I'm not talking to you. Okay. So you put your monthly sticker here and you fill this stuff out, like what's your theme, what are you going to do and not do this month, like what are your goals. And then the size of these lines here are perfect for adding in those little stickers to help you plan out your content and what you're going to be doing. So there you have it, and then you have a place for your wins, which is really important. So there you have it. Every month looks just like that. So there is the content planner in all of its beautiful glory, and if you're interested to see how I put this to work or anything like that, I will be doing updated videos monthly on my planning system, and that's more than just the content planner. That'll also include my passion planner and anything I do online. I will review everything that I used that month and what worked and didn't work and how I'm going to maybe change things for the next month. So if you're interested, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.